Hello everyone, I am Teacher Sunny and welcome to our math class.
In this video, we will learn how to solve or look for the value of the slope when we have 2 points. Let's have an example. We have point A, which is 7 and 5, and we also have point B, which is 8 and -2. Point A is 7, 5, and point B is 8 and -2. To get the value of the slope or the type of slope as well, we are going to use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. In a coordinate point, in our A here, 7 and 5, we have x coordinate and y coordinate. The same with B, x coordinate is 8 and the y coordinate is -2. We can name them x and y, x and y. Now, there are two ways to do it. First, we can plot A as our x1, y1 and plot B as x2 and y2. What can we do also? Make it like x2, y2 and x1, y1? And the answer is yes, we can do it like this. We can switch them up. However, if we are planning to do it x1, y2, and x2, y1, we will not get the correct answer, so this is not possible. We have x1, y1 paired together in one coordinate, the same with x2, y2 paired together in one coordinate. Let's try doing first x1, y1, the color red here. We identify what is y2. Y2 here is -2. So y2, y2 minus, we're going to do the minus our y1. Y1 is equal to 5 over x2 is 8 minus x1 is 7. Let's try to do the other side, which is x2, y2, and x1, y1. Our y2 there is equal to 5 minus our y1 is -2. So don't forget your minus, and then your y1 is -2. We will put a parenthesis to separate the two negatives, divided by x2, which is 7, minus 8. Here, negative and negative will become positive. This is different from negative and negative equals positive, because when here, the problem is adding two negative numbers. But this one, they will be together by parenthesis, which means you are going to multiply the negative to the negative, which gives us a positive. There are no multiplication in here, but even if there is, it will be positive times negative, which is equal still to negative. Let's add them together. -2, -5 will give us -7 all over 8 minus 7, which is 1. The same in here. 5 minus -2, which will become 5 plus 2, which is 7 over 7 minus 8, which is -1. Now, are they the same? Is -7 over 1 the same with 7 over -1? And the answer is yes, because 7 divided by 1, or -7 divided by 1 is equal to -7, and 7 divided by -1 is still -7. So whatever method you're going to use here, they will still be the same answer. What type of slope? It is a negative slope. And the value of the slope is -7. So this one is the value, and the type of slope is negative.